Today we are going to learn how to mount a twist-type magnetic switch into the groove of cylinder barrel. This is the groove in the cylinder barrel. Now unwrap the magnetic switch carefully. Next, put the magnetic switch into the cylinder groove. Carefully twist the magnetic switch into the groove to ensure you don't break the switch. Now gently slide the magnetic switch into the cylinder groove. Now use a 1.5 mm Allen key to tighten it securely into the groove. Be cautious not to over-tighten. By following these steps, you can effectively ensure your twist-type magnetic switch is perfectly mounted into the groove of cylinder barrel. Discover the power of SPAC Pneumatic and revolutionize your pneumatic solutions. Just drop a hi at our WhatsApp number 012-047-3333 or visit our website spacpneumatic.com for more information.